Have you encountered difficult words when you are reading text? Words that you don't understand. Words that you are new to you. So to broaden your vocabulary, you have to learn to analyze words to get their meaning correctly. One of the tools used to unlock the meaning of unfamiliar terms or unfamiliar words is context clues. So what is context clues? These are hints that help readers understand a difficult word or expressions. Sometimes they are in the sentence or in the paragraph that we are reading. So we need only to analyze those words, and they might be the hint that we are looking for to understand the words we find difficult to understand.